Okay, we got the iPhone 4. Just got it 2 minutes ago. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Has a nice cover right there. There it is. It's the LED flash right there. Camera, 5 megapixel. The camera right there. Jack, and let's turn it on. Okay, while that's turning on, let's check out what else is in here. We got the booklet like the other iPhones. Don't need that. And just the same things. Nothing different. Looks like it's the same headset as the iPhone 3GS, 3G. Got the USB cable and the plug adapter. And that's it. It's the iPhone 4.